Welcome to How to SketchUp. First up, we have V-Ray, one of the most powerful rendering tools available. It offers photorealistic rendering with unmatched detail in lighting, shadows, and textures. V-Ray also includes real-time rendering, so you can see changes instantly, along with an extensive material library to fine-tune your designs. This level of precision comes at a cost, with subscriptions starting at $60 per month. Lumion is another top choice, known for its speed and ease of use. It's widely used by architects for quickly generating breathtaking visuals and animations. With a massive asset library and real-time rendering, you can create immersive environments in minutes. However, it comes with a hefty price tag starting at $1,499 for a one-time purchase. If you're looking for an interactive real-time rendering, Enscape is a fantastic option. It integrates seamlessly with SketchUp, offering instant visualization and even VR support for immersive presentations. It's user-friendly and fast, making it ideal for professionals who need high-quality renders on the fly. Pricing starts at $47 per month. TheaRender is perfect for those who need flexibility. It supports both biased and unbiased rendering, meaning you can prioritize speed or photorealism depending on your needs. With advanced material editing and HDRI lighting, TheaRender is great for high-end visualization, starting at $49 per month. Twinmotion is a real-time rendering powerhouse, perfect for creating engaging visual environments. Its vast library of materials, objects, and lighting effects allows for quick and dynamic rendering. With VR support and animation tools, it's an excellent choice for architects and designers. A commercial license is available for $499 per year, but students and educators can get it for free. Which one fits your needs best? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips.